everybody, so I'm here with another video and I have been feeling better. And everybody in my school, tell Miss Break that I'm probably going to go back to school on Thursday. And we have a special guest. It's my niece, Abigail. Say hi. Okay.
They're trying to make her smile. She's not even looking right now.
Okay, so now, Dariano, yes, we are making edible slime with Starburst.
Yes, all the reds.
Did you get it this time?
Yes.
Someone open it.
So all we're using is Starburst. And what else, Dawson?
And powdered sugar and boil. And we're gonna boil. And we're gonna melt these. And I'm gonna get the first Starburst. But David is a disgrace. He got the first. Eat this one.
David, did you steal the first Starburst when we said Dawson could have it? Okay, he's obviously guilty.
I will have the first. She did too. I will have the first bite. Look at her. Look at her. And I also did too.
That's right, Lee.
I also will have the first bite of the slime.
Okay, so we're gonna pause and come back when we have it all in the boiler. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm recording.
No.
I am recording right now.
No.
I'm just gonna. Oh my
If
word.
you could.
I'm just talking about the process that's going on. It really smells in here for a particular reason that we're going to not name. Oh my word. That is foul, you guys.
And it's not the Starburst.
It starts with an S.
What does that even mean?
No, it's not the Starburst.
The stink does not start with S unless it means stink.
We will now pause the video, and you will see it on the boiler in 3. Wait, look over there.
Oh, okay.
In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, so now we're. Who is the culprit?
I'm sorry.
Now we will put these in
No
the
lie.
boiler.
It's boiling. You need to make sure that it is boiling.
This
And
is
we're
being
mixing-
supervised by an adult.
And we're mixing everything around. Okay, I think that just a little bit more.
Huh?
Right there. You are.
On camera.
She's not. You are. She's 5-year-old.
I am an adult, but technically right now I'm 12 years old. It's really fun.
Okay, now we need this.
Okay, we're only doing like a few right now.
Okay, the shade is not okay with this camera.
Now we will pause the video, and you will see.
Show you when it's melted inside.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
So guys, we're almost done.
This is what it looks like. It looks nothing like slime.
No, but it doesn't. Look at what David did.
Well, we're not
David
exactly
didn't do
done
that.
yet.
He did one of them. He did that. I did that and that.
I did one of
I
them.
did this one.
Okay.
Nah.
Almost done. Take 2. Okay, guys, so we are completely done.
Look at that beauty.
Who dares me to touch it?
No, it's too
Who
hot.
dares you to burn your finger?
Okay, we're going to move it over there in just a few minutes.
Ready?
Or
3,
seconds.
2, 1.
Okay.
We are now making the slime. We're putting it in the powdered sugar so it won't be sticky.
Look at our slime.
I know.
You need powdered sugar to make it not sticky.
It's like a.
We got all over the table.
I thought it would
Or
be
the
a
counter.
rainbow.
I know, right? How are we supposed to clean
loving
it?
care and love and soaking.
I am not it.
I guess it's how you clean any other pot that's filled with sugar. Only this is really
Hot water.
sticky. Okay, wait. See, please don't burn yourself.
Actually, it feels like slime. It's thick.
Okay, you're gonna have to put.
It is.
It does.
It does.
It's hot.
No, it's not.
It's not sticking to my finger.
Please don't burn yourself.
Look. Oh.
Ah, it's burning. Eat it. So I can eat mine. I'm the
Put
third person.
some powdered
I'm the
sugar.
third person to taste it. Nobody was. And it is amazing. Nobody.
This is good.
Ooh, I'm gonna taste the white part.
David, it's all the same.
No, the white part is better.
That looks amazing.
Ooh, it's hot. Ow.
Yeah, it's hot.
Ow,
Use
burning. Burning the finger. Ouch.
Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
Band-aids.
lightsaber at the same finger. Get get a spoon.
Wow, this is like super. No, seriously, please do not stick your finger in it yet because it's
This is my sister!
burning hot.
Oldest sister.
And she actually had her appendix taken out 2 years ago.
She saw some. She saw a king. She's a star.
Okay, we got it.
How are you gonna get it out the court?
Well, it's all a matter of science. You just pray.
And you just lick it. Okay,
Pray
so
it down.
this is probably.
What?
Should this be in the end of the video?
No.
No,
because
not
we
yet.
haven't mixed it yet.
It's been 5 minutes.
Yeah, the bread that's in there is. We just made it. Tame.
It's been 6 minutes.
Pause
it.
It hurts. I have a mustache now. Okay.
So this is the final product. Tell them what it feels like.
She burned her
I
finger.
burnt my finger.
And it feels like slime.
burn your finger? But yeah, I burnt my finger. Oh, thank you.
Can you kiss mine?
Leah's the kitchen healer.
Yay.
So tell them what this final product is like.
This final product is hot. Really hot. Just like me.
No,
Just
go
like me.
away.
Okay, it's sticky. Well, it's not as sticky, and it looks like slime. It feels like slime.
Lift it
Look.
up.
It feels pretty cool.
We used powdered sugar.
slime.
We used this
Powdered sugar.
instead
not-
of flour because this
Oh,
one
guys.
is sweet.
It's right. Yeah. Right after you make the slime, do not
You have to wash your hands before this. Definitely do that.
Yeah, and do not rip it apart right after you make it because it'll be really hot.
It will
and it'll
burn your hand.
So once it's
And
cool,
it won't come off.
you can literally take this thing and eat little pieces of it.
I want to try it.
It's
Ready?
good on a
Look,
spoon
I'm
too.
gonna eat this. Ready?
It's good on a spoon.
Dude, you suck.
Okay, so
Okay, we should probably sign off this video because it's kind of long.
ready? Okay. Ready? Set.
Okay.
We're
Okay.
going to do our secret talk.
Secret talk.
Okay, me. Tell me.
David too.
Okay, ready? Set. 3,